Good evening, sir. This is Justin Loren, and my topic is to serve in the families help me understand how my family affects the person I am today. I learned that my family is one of the important parts of my life because they teach me values, attitudes, and the way I treat other people. These lessons made me realize that my actions and decisions are also influenced by my experience at home. I always learn that every family is different, but each one has important role in shaping a person's identity. Because of this lesson, I appreciate my family more and understand that they are a big part of who I am. It reminds me to value my relationships with them and to become a responsible son.